Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosel, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. As y'all know, I've been working on my yard after the hurricane. We've been destroying, taking down sheetrock, putting up fences, destroying sheds. While I was putting up my privacy fence, I learned about 3 hacks that actually helped me go way faster with my privacy fence. Even though my wife helped me, my son helped me, my son-in-law helped me, occasionally I had to work by myself. So I learned 3 different things that helped me put the fence up. The first thing I learned was keeping it level. When I went to Lowe's to buy my privacy fence wood, these little pieces of shim came with it to keep the what do we call them? Pickets. To keep the pickets separated. So I just simply took one of these pieces of wood, a $1 clamp that I got from Harbor Freight, and once I take my first picket and I level it up, and then I take the second picket and level it up, I put this wood on top, put my level on top, and level that, and then I bring my fence pickets across. And every 5 or 6 pickets, then I take this and I move it. All right, hack number 2. And this one came strictly by accident. I went to the Lowe's and I was looking for PVC pipe, and I saw this and I thought this would fit perfectly inside my drill. Or my drill would fit perfectly inside this. So one of the problems I had when I was putting up my fence was always trying to bend down and pick my drill up off the ground or pick it up on whatever it was laying on. So now about every 4 or 5 pickets, I take a screw. Well, the first thing I did was I drilled a large hole through one side and a smaller hole through the other side. I put my drill bit through here, put the screw in, and now I put my drill there. So now every time I'm putting up a picket, I simply grab my drill, boom, screw it in. And that's hack number 2. Who we got? Get back over here. Get back over here, Bandit. Bandit.
King.
Get back over here, King.
That's King.
King. That's our my sister-in-law and brother-in-law's dog, King. You notice he's a little bit smaller than our dog, Fitzgerald. All right. Hack number 3, and this one happened by accident. I always used to, my old way of getting my screws. I would go in my bucket, I would grab 3 or 4 screws, and I would actually take them, put them in my mouth, and while I was putting up my fence. That's probably not healthy. It's probably, I don't know what these screws have on them. So, by accident, I was moving some stuff out of my shed, and a box of screws fell open on an old speaker that I had in the shed. And the screw stuck to the speaker. And me being the genius that I am, an idea came to mind. So I simply took the speaker, and now what I do, if you follow me over here, I just simply take this when I want more screws. I take the speaker, I drop it in, pick up my screws, and now the screws are attached to the speaker. I put this S hook on the speaker, and now, I stepped in front of the camera. I just either hang it on here, like so, and now I got my screws handy. So now every time, boom, I simply pick up one of these. Actually, 2 of the drill bits will actually hang on it as well. Pick up one of these, boom, insert. Screw number 2, and that's just how fast it goes. So there you have. Sorry about that, buddy.
You hit my baby with that screw.
Oops. You okay, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, fam. There you have it. Those are 3 quick hacks to help you when you put up your privacy fence. First, your level. Just take a straight edge of any sort, clamp it to the top of the fence, and bring your boards up as close as you can. You see, I got a little gap right there, so that's got to be fixed. But anyway, bring it up and keep your fence level. Second hack, keep your drill handy. Just go to Lowe's, buy you a piece of those PVC pipe couplings, drill your 2 holes in it, that's your drill mount. Third, find you an old speaker or an old magnet. You can go to Lowe's, I think they sell magnets for a couple of bucks. Take those, put your screws on it, keep your screws handy. There you have it, family. So if y'all enjoyed this video, as usual, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. If you love what we're doing here, This and That, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Ain't that right, Fitz? Y'all have a great day. Peace.